Hey, what's up guys? Good morning and welcome to my humble abode. This is called a car show, if you guys don't know. And we're looking at cars, but I'm not going to show the cars because the cars have license plates on it and I don't want to see you to see where I live. So
Amanda, you're so close to yourself.
It's called vlogging, Marissa. This is my style.
You're such a true vlogger.
I'm so sweaty.
Hi. You're such a true vlogger.
Oh my god, that kid used to go to my church when I went to church. Does she praise Jesus still? I don't know.
Amanda, tell the world, are you a Jesus worshiper?
I am a Jesus worshiper. I believe in Jesus so much. I have a tattoo dedicated to Jesus. It's called a cross and it's on my butt.
Do you hear that noise? Sweet sound of geese.
No, that's sweet sound of Jesus. No, you know what? I do want tattoos.
Comment. Comment.
Oh my god.
I want you guys to comment. And if you think Amanda is the next Jake Paul, comment yes.
What kind of face am I making? I am not the next Jake Paul. Okay, I am not insane.
Logan Paul.
Yeah, my sister is pretty insane though.
Actually, you know what? Let's switch it around. I think you're the Logan Paul in this situation.
Wait.
I don't think you're the Jake Paul.
I'm not a sociopath. I'm a narcissist, Marissa. There's a difference.
The next one.
I'm a Chamberlain.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Comment if you agree. Comment if you.
Ew, I got a knot in my hair. I was like, you know. This is the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air material. Ooh. I actually looked good for a millisecond. Did he leave? Hi. Yeah. Kit car. Like a Kit Kat?
Tall people cannot get in that.
Maybe it's a car for me.
My wife is where I lost my head.
Oh, my dad could say the same thing. What? What? Oh my god!
Hey people.
It's vlogging because I'm like really late. Yeah. Hi vlog.
Are you putting it on your YouTube?
Probably.
Hey YouTube. Hey Dolan Twins, hit me up. Destiny, you dirty hobo. Nobody wants you.
Hey bitches, welcome to my channel.
Right now. This is them.
No, don't.
I want to say hi to the vlog. Hey vlog. Hey vlog, it's Destiny. If you know the Dolan Twins, tell them to hit me up, especially Grayson. So, yeah. Today's National Hug Day.
Oh, I love that. Is that a vintage car?
Where?
There.
It's a car from 2017.
Oh. It's. Oh shit.
Okay,
I
guys,
don't know where my friend
I'm
is.
taking over.
That's
And I look really ugly. Wow.
to pee really bad.
Hey vlog.
Alright, Destiny, stop stealing her freaking career.
My voice keeps on cracking, so like puberty is hitting me like a bit. Guys, I need
I
pictures.
can play my song.
I'm upside down. It's okay, guys.
Yeah, the queen is always perfect.
Yes, I'm always perfect, upside down or not. Oh my god, that's kind of like, no, what if they like, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
This is gonna be the most boring vlog.
There was a fly in my face and I just like had a panic attack.
Did it go in your mouth?
No, ew.
Some kid ate it. Literally, we're at lunch. This kid picks up a dead fly.
Oh my god.
And told her a very disgusting, disturbing story.
I praise Jesus every day and this happened to me.
Hey guys, it's me.
Oh, there's a bee. There's a bee. There.
My name's Michael with the bee. I've been afraid of insects my whole life. There's a bee. Where? Everybody comment on Amanda's page how sexy she is.
I'm so sexy.
Everyone go follow me at destiny.colondo. Ooh, my highlight is popping.
Yes. I look orange, so. Wait, our class. No. Okay, bye guys. I love you. This is my best friend. Okay, bye guys. I love you. And okay, bye.